Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures for your headphones LG Tone Free Fit. You have to start by opening the application and now scroll down a bit. Now click Detail Settings at the touch function line and let's work in with it. So for the single press for the left earbud, I prefer to use voice assistant, so click on voice command and you should click confirm, because if you didn't, it just never saved. And right now we have it. For the light one, I wanna use play pause. Now for the double press, I wanna leave it also, but you can change it to the best one for you. And the last one what I wanna change is triple touch for the left earbud. So I wanna play previous track and confirm, of course. Now you can change for the right one if you want to. For the press and hold, we have ambient sound control. So by default we swap between noise cancelling and ambient sound, but you can change it right here to the best one for you. But I think it's the best one for me. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!